Hiya, okay. Spotlights are going on it now. All it is, small bracket like so, there. I was going to put a clamp on there, but I don't need to. I'm actually going to put the bolt straight through so that I can clamp it straight up so it's centralised over the bull bar itself. Obviously I'll just put a little bit of grease and that'll be fine. One either side. I've measured it, it's 2 foot, so obviously I'm dividing it into quarters, and that'll give me my spots directly above either side there. Like I say, all I'm going to do is attach that to the bar until I'm ready to wire it up. I'll create the wiring loom and I'll put that on a later video when I do the wiring and the switches all in a one, because I want to do the switches on the top console when I've built that so that I can control them from there. Because these are not going to be wired up to the direct lights. They're going to be something that I switch on out of choice when I'm, pulling up into sort of remote and very dark areas. They're not going to be for road use. That's the bolt I've got. So all I'll do is match it up to a drill now, which is that one, and that's bang on. Drops in nice. Put a little bit of grease on there and then fed that through. Just slide that bolt through. It's an Allen key one. Just tighten that up now. Nip that. There you go. Easy to do it that way, and then when I'm ready I can just spin it round and nip that up then. So all I've done now, just tightened that up, and that's all tightened up. And it's got rubber washers there as well with grease on, so it keeps it nice and sealed. Once you're happy that's in position, central, like the other one, just nip it up. And then you're good to go. Tightening this up.